After placing the order, you will receive Office 365 login credentials with an activation guide to your billing email provided during purchase. First, you must uninstall your older or cracked version Microsoft Office setup from the control panel before installing this new Office 365 setup. After uninstalling, restart your computer once to make all changes in the background. Now, follow these simple steps to install Office 365 easily. Go to Microsoft's Office 365 official website at office.com. Now click on Sign In and enter login ID and password given above. It will ask you to create a new password first. Please create your new password and save your new password somewhere safe for future login. Remember your password. We can't reset it again in future. After sign in, download the setup file from Home Dashboard and install it. After installation, sign in with the ID and new password created in any one app, either Word or Excel. It will be activated for all apps installed with Office 365. Now again, restart your computer after sign in to make all changes in background properly. If you face any issue while installing new setup file, then this means your old Office setup is yet to clean remove completely from your computer, and it can't remove with the normal uninstall file option. Please check this tutorial YouTube video link given for complete clean removal of old Office files from the root file of Windows or Mac. After removal old Office, also uninstall this tool before installing new Office 365 setup file. If you already have original Microsoft Office 365 installed in your PC, try sign in with any one of the app, Word, Excel, PPT, and it will activate for all apps. Don't forget to restart your computer. Go to myapps.microsoft.com to access OneDrive and other 25+ other licensed Office 365 apps. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote will work for both offline and online modes. For Android and iPhone, download Microsoft Office 365 app from App Store and enter ID and your new updated password to log in. Note: after following above instructions mentioned, if you still face any issue, kindly message us on live chat support or WhatsApp Telegram support number provided in your email after purchase for priority support. Thanks for shopping with MyPCKey. Have a great day!